The looper shape, yellow colored, has a sequencer, which is a written and structured loop, mainly used for rhythms and bass. And a recording looper, simply recording what you play, both built inside the looper shape. If you don't have the yellow looper in one of your shifters, then hold the 3 shifters together to change to shaper, and choose the 5th combi. In this tutorial we'll create a sequence of some drums, having a keyboard full of drum samples. We'll start by creating a super simple drum sequence. To create a sequence, we'll hold the second thumb button and don't let go. You can see that the keyboard is ready for sequence creation. With 16 bits, divided to 4 parts, it has 4 bars to choose from, 4 patterns to switch between. In purple. Okay. We have 8 sample containers, the first 8 combis. And to fill a sample combi with a sample of our choice, we'll hold that combi. Let's say the first combi, and don't let it go too. We're holding the second thumb, and the first combi. Now we'll choose a note in our keyboard. And if we like that sample, like this kick for example, we'll release that first combi. The last sample that we played while holding the first combi container will be locked and assigned into that first combi. And now that the first combi container is still chosen, we don't have to hold any combi to use that kick sample. We can lock the next sample to the second combi, but let's use that kick we locked into the first combi in a simple 4x4 sequence. Hold the second thumb if you released it. Boom, 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 boom. That's a 4x4 sequence. Let's release that second thumb going back to looper's main features. And press the first combi, meaning, play. We'll now lock a snare into the second combi container, holding the second thumb with the second combi. Finding a good snare in our keyboard. And release the second combi button. Add the snare, here, and here. Voila, it's there. The same for a hi-hat into the third combi container. Holding the second thumb with the third combi, finding a good hi-hat in our keyboard. And releasing the third combi button only, not releasing the second thumb yet. A nice swipe of hi-hats? Because the keyboard is touch sensitive, and I just swiped the keyboard keys with variable touches, the hi-hats are arranged in an obvious blend of velocities, which always seems to end nicely. Ready for the next looper tutorial?